Hi everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with Crystal. I hope you guys are doing great. Today we are making a popular vegetarian dish, Kadhi Pakoda. This delicious dish combines crispy pakoras soaked in a rich and flavorful yogurt based curry. So let's get started. We'll start with half a bowl of gram flour and one small bowl of curd. With the gram flour, we'll be splitting into two portions, one for the pakoras and one for the curry. Let's start by preparing the batter for the pakoras first. For the pakoras, take one portion of the gram flour and mix it with water to create a smooth batter. Be sure to whisk the batter well so that there are no lumps. The more you whisk, the fluffier your pakoras will be. In a separate mixer grinder, add the remaining gram flour along with the curd and blend until smooth. This will be the base for our curry. Now back to the pakora batter. Add some red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and mix well. Then add the ginger garlic paste and give it another good mix. Let's move on to frying the pakoras. In a pan, heat half a bowl of oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, drop spoonfuls of the batter into the oil. Let them swell and cook until you see bubbles forming. Then flip them over to the other side. Once they turn a lovely golden brown, take them out and set them aside. For the curry batter, we will need a pinch of asafoetida, hing, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 sliced green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now it's time to make the curry. We'll be using the same oil from the pakoras, but reduce the quantity to about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add these ingredients and let them sizzle before pouring in the curry batter. Keep stirring continuously while adding water. The ratio of curd mix to water should be 1:8, but you can adjust depending on how thick or thin you like your curry. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and let the mixture boil for about 30 minutes, stirring continuously so no lumps form and it does not stick to the pan. Once the curry has thickened and reached that beautiful yellow color, it's time to add the pakoras. Give it a gentle stir and let them cook together for another 10 to 15 minutes. At this stage, add salt to taste. About 1.5 teaspoon should be enough. Finally, we'll prepare the tempering to add extra flavor to our dish. In a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, two dry red chilies, and a few curry leaves. Fry these until fragrant. Then turn off the stove and stir in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Pour this tempering into the curry and give it a light stir. Our delicious kadhi pakora is now ready to be served. This dish pairs perfectly with hot steamed rice or chapatis. If you like this recipe, give this one a try and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Home Cooking with Crystal for more easy and delicious recipes from different cuisines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!